Hello everyone, I am architect Vishal Deshmukh. Glad to have conversation with all. I am director of Studio 165. Studio 165 is a design firm which deals in architecture and interior. We have some good projects in market already and very good clients. They are satisfied with our work and the way we work till the end of the project. We are working in commercial, residential, and industrial interiors as well as in architecture. In any case, we shouldn't stop working in corona situations, as if we stop working today, we don't have any idea of tomorrow. In case of increase of patients in tomorrow, we should hold our businesses accordingly. If we have to hold the situations in future, we should have something in pocket for of everyone. So according to me, this might be the best situation right now to work more efficiently before it will get increased. According to the observations, in Italy and America it is more worse than India. The ratio of the death is less in India, but due to the density we have more patients and more spread of COVID-19. So mask is the best way according to the health agencies. So we have to take care of to avoid contacts and use mask properly for everyone. We are taking such measures and likely to aware about COVID-19 to every agency. So with precautions, we have to go ahead with COVID-19 situation and should not hold our businesses and our services in COVID-19, and we have little more time to think much more creative. Due to extra time, we can go more creatively in COVID-19 situation. So we are thinking positively about Studio 165 to have some good business in this year as well. We are also following the government norms and we are also aware of the situations, and we will work according to the situation in the future as per the country norms. Thanks and regards to everyone. Promote green buildings. Green building is the need of the time in architecture. Above it, there are many trends like minimalism and abstract buildings in interiors and in architectural era. The architects or designers are working more abstractly than previous because they have such kind of materials. We have increased the metal into the design, so we are able to produce some more creative products. We can go little higher than that of before due to the increase of metal use in the productions like cable structures and all that. So in interiors and architecture, we have so many sensors which can be more efficient in COVID situation, right? We don't have to touch anywhere, and lights can get on, music can get on, we can have some awesome effects, we can reduce the intensity of light automatically, we can program the moods, light intensity according to the moods, effects and everything, which will enhance the aesthetics as well as the feel. And so designers are getting more leverage in design point of view, and their designs are getting more effective. Also, we have to consume less space in furniture due to automation and mechanism. We can fold it, we can use it in dual way due to some mechanism. There are some soft closing, electrical provisional materials. If we touch it, it will go inside automatically. That will create more dynamic effects. There are some hydraulic systems which are going to be used in different kind of brands and available widely, so we can do more effective interior designs. It is like have some productive things and concealed things in interiors. So designers are getting more leverage in design point of view, and their designs are getting more effective. Also, we have to consume less space in furniture due to automation and mechanism. We can fold it, we can use it in dual way due to some mechanism. There are some soft closing, electrical provisional materials. If we touch it, it will go inside automatically. That will create more dynamic effects. There are some hydraulic systems which are going to be used in different kind of brands and available widely, so we can do more effective interior designs. It is like have some productive things and concealed things in interiors, like in every mechanism is providing us amenity. In COVID situation, there are some limitations to everyone. Government is doing very nice job according to them, but there are for the security of the society, they have provided timely lockdowns. Lockdowns are not planned too well. We have to plan it well. It is gentle suggestion to the government to have some system or some provision or about the planning of the lockdown. If the COVID count goes high or low, how many days it will increase or decrease the lockdown, so people can plan their things accordingly, so they can have better idea automatically. So there should be a schedule in case of decrease and increase of the patients, and according to the lockdown how it will run. Due to lockdown, they have restricted the movements of the